In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to use ChartMill to find stocks that show tight price action above or below a specific moving average. Now there are already several moving average filters available in ChartMill. When you open the performance tab over here, price versus SMA, and if you open the drop down menu, you can screen for example, price in 2% range of the SMA 5 or in 5% range of the SMA 5. That is above or below that specific SMA. And you can do the same for the SMA 10, 20, 50, 150 and 200. Now, if you want to search for stocks, for example, where price is in a range of 1% or 1.2 or 2.3%, that's not possible through this menu. But it is possible if you use a custom filter, and that is what I'm going to show you in this video. So open the custom tab. So let's assume you want to find stocks that are at max 1% above or below the simple moving average 20. So 20 daily simple moving average. To do so, we will have to define two specific custom expressions. One that states that the last price can be at max 1% below the SMA 20, and then the other one that defines that the price may be at max 1% above the SMA 20. So first of all, for the left hand side of the expression, open the drop down menu, select property, and then open the drop down menu again, general last price. So the last price should be lower, and then we are going to use for the right hand side of the expression an expression. First of all, let's select the moving average, so property, open the drop down menu again, and then under trend there are different moving averages available, being 5, 10, 20, 50, 150 and 200. I'm going to use the SMA 20. So the SMA 20 multiplied by a constant number, I'm going to select constant now, 1.01. And why do I use this number? Well, last price has to be smaller than the SMA 20 value multiplied by 1.01. That gives a result that all the stocks should be at max 1% above the SMA 20. So click enter and then add filter. So that's the first custom expression. Once again, open the drop down menu. We are going to define the second one. So again, property is just the same, so general and last price. And now for the comparison, bigger than, open the drop down menu for the right hand side of the equation. So first expression, and then for the left hand side of the expression, select type, again property, and once again trend SMA 20. And for this second custom expression, we are going to multiply by another constant value, in this case 0.99. So this defines that the last price should be bigger than the SMA 20 value multiplied by 0.99. That equals the SMA 20 minus 1%. So click enter and then add filter. And as you can see, all the stocks in this list are now very close to the SMA 20, which is the red line. So at max 1% above or below the simple moving average, the 20-day simple moving average. If you want to exclude these kind of stocks, like in TCN, just go to the performance tab. Now to the technical analysis indicators tab and add a volatility filter. I'm going to add, for example, the average daily range should be above 1. And of course you can add other filters. Under the general tab, now you can add the exchange, for example US only, a minimum price above 5, an average volume 200k, and there are a whole bunch of other possibilities and screening filters available. But as you can see, all these stocks are showing the last price very close to the SMA 20, above or below, at max 1%. So that's the way how you can define through the use of custom filters such a tight price range. Now, at this moment, you can only use predefined moving averages, being 5, 10, 20, 50, 150 and 200, and also some moving average on a weekly base. But it's on our to-do list that you can also customize the period of these simple moving average. So these custom expressions are a very powerful feature within our stock screening software. I've just shown you one example. Of course, there are many more possibilities. And if you want to know more, just open the documentation tab in the main menu, open the drop down menu, and then select videos. And part 6 is about the custom expressions, creating custom expressions in the screener. So be sure to watch this video to gain more knowledge about how to use these custom expressions. And as always, if there are remarks or questions, please leave them in the comments below and we will respond to it. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.